Flutter. When I see her, it sends my heart aflutter. It makes my words that stutter. I can't imagine what I would say even if I could utter words from my lips. So simple it seems everyone could say, but I cannot. Words disappear and fly away before I have a chance to say, but I cannot. On a link on a chain, nestled to my nape, jeweled and ornate they sit. Two, not just one, unable to fly like my words when she is near, always close to my heart. Waiting to fly, to feel the air beneath their wings with a gentle flutter like the words I dare not speak. From my heart so gentle, mild, and meek, waiting to be free, like the gentle flutter of a little butterfly. A point in time. A butterfly cannot be without change, without life lessons. It must start small, a little pupa, a little ball. A little life that starts, it cannot blossom or think to fly without change, without growth. Without hope, it must journey to what is worthy of its life, and it cannot cater to untruths to those that play the ruse, coincidences with no explanation, except to instill a faint flutter. It makes no sense at all. But we must build on our character as we grow. We transform who we are, become a pillar of strength and hope, a new phase, less intense, and try to overcome. We repeat with many steps, many feet. We walk forward and away and back again until we realize, even though our feet are firmly on the ground, like a caterpillar, we seek the change that lifts our lives, that teaches us to live the journey and not just bide time, in that we will let go of what is not ours to have and to hold, and wish it well with love and hope, and give it wings to fly as we grow and change within.